In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration exercise 3.2, question 2, part 11. And this is the important question. It means you have to practice it. So question is, we have to integrate ax plus b divided by ax square plus 2bx plus c dx. Right? So in this question, you see this is the function f of x, and then you have to find out whether this is the derivative of the function or not. So I will show you here, right? F of x is ax square, which is given in the denominator. This is the function. So f dash or f prime x is equal to, how we will find out the derivative? This 2 will come here and a is constant. So ax, and in differentiation we have to reduce the power. It is 2 minus 1, which is equal to x, and then 2b. This is 0, constant is 0. So the derivative of this function should be 2ax plus 2b, but we have ax plus b. We do not have 2. So here if I say we will take 2 as common, the remaining is ax plus b f dash, and we want the value of only ax plus b. So 2 will divide this f dash x, which is equal to 2. So see, now ax plus b is equal to f dash x 2. We can write down here f dash x, right, divided by 2, and then this is the function. Now we have the function and this is the derivative of the function. So see, how we will solve it. If we have a function in the denominator and we have the derivative in the numerator, so the integration is natural log of fx plus c. We will integrate like this: natural log of whatever the function is here, f of x plus c. So see here, it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 I will take because this is constant. F dash x divided by f of x, and here you have to write down dx. Please do not forget to write down this. So it will be 1 over 2, right? Fx, this is the function, and now we have the derivative in the numerator. So natural log of fx, right? This is x. So fx, since we have ax square, whatever you have, 2bx plus c, put the value, and then constant of integration is c. We already have c here, so in order to make some difference or differentiate it, just write down c1, c0, whatever, right? So in this question you have to see whether the derivative is available in the numerator of the function fx, which is in the denominator, or not, right? So here we have find out that ax plus b is equal to f dash x, only because 2 was missing from here. And then very simple, natural log of fx, whatever is the function you have to write down here, right?